Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Elsa look on Dress to Impress. So you don't use the same Elsa dress every single time the theme is frozen, okay? This is just to give it some examples because I'm fed up. Anyways, you'll need a few things, one VIP item. It's not super required if you don't have it, so let's get started with the video. I'm going to be removing everything except for the one I did adjustments on because I will forget. For the hair, I use this in this color. Let me just fix the brows. Her brows aren't this like I guess black. I don't know why. Okay, I don't know why I saved it like that. Sorry, let me just fix the brows real quick. Okay, there you go. That's more like it. Okay, and then I used this belt here in 9080C3 and the same color. I did toggle it to the second one first and then colored everything the same color. Then I toggled it to the first toggle and positioned the Y at 0.63. Sorry, I toggled it to the first toggle first and then to the second toggle. Position the Y at 0.63, Z 0.48, rotate the X to 0.52, and scaled it to 0.43. And now for the outfit itself, I used this top without everything except for the lace. I colored it, I think, in white. And then this same blue color, 91AC3. Then I think I did this lighter blue color. I think I did this actually. I'm like trying to remember what I wore because I did this and like I logged off of Dress to Impress to watch a movie. Anyways, like this like coat. Oh my gosh. Let me see what I wore. Hold on guys. Wait, let me save that face first because the other face was not giving. Okay, let's delete this. Yes. Me like already forgetting. Okay, so for the okay, I didn't use that hair. Okay, so for this one, I did D8F3FF and then 90A0C3 and then all white and the details only. And then I did this cape from VIP in D8F3FF in silk. Then I used this skirt, this one, in 90A0C3 in silk for both of that. Then I used this witch skirt in D8F3FF and D9F3FF and colored it silk, like from the material. Then I used this coat in D9F3FF for everything, and I used the silk material. For the boots, I used the Brat boots here in D8F3FF for both in silk. And that is it. Sorry, I forgot what I wore. I'm sorry, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.